Check it out, guys. Snowing in October. Oh, can you believe this? It's October and we are having snow. Hopefully it won't stick and we'll be all happy. It is more like raining. You know, look, can you see the ice on top of my car? Ooh, it's cold. Cold, 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 cold. And I have to work later, like in 2 hours. Hopefully we don't get a lot of snow because I hate cleaning my, the sidewalks and all my driveway. I hate cleaning that. You know what? I'm getting really cold and wet, so let's go inside. Snow, go. She won't go out because she knows it's snowing. Come, Precious. Come. Maybe if I walk out, she will do that. Precious. Nah. Come here, Precious. Come here. Let's see. Precious. Come. She won't. Come. Precious. Come. Come. Bye, Precious. Come. It's snowing. What, honey?
That's so excited.
Yeah, she's so excited, but she doesn't want to go out.
What sticker? It's a sticker.
Got stickers? Come, Precious, come.
Go. Halfway. Daddy.
Come.
Who said
What?
you like a monster? Daddy, who said you like a monster?
Really?
Yeah. Why don't you like snow? You haven't big enough. What?
Come, Precious.
Now look at me.
Come. Nah, she won't.
Ready to go? Wait, did she go out there?
No, she doesn't want to go. Off. Yep. Off.
It's raining, snowing.
Good girl.
It's not really snowing.
Let's go outside. Come, let's go outside. Let's go play outside.
Ow.
Well, see you guys. Take care.